I feel very strongly about giving back to the community that really raised me in a lot of ways. Me choosing New Orleans was really as much about New Orleans choosing me. Drew Brees, General Manager, Lowe's home team. We're here because of a man named Burnell who is wanting to build an internet cafe for this community because that's something that a lot of people lack here is the ability to have good internet access.
When I got back from the military, I came home just in time for Hurricane Katrina. So I opened up the only grocery store in this part of town because my community was hurting. This internet cafe, it's needed.
It's really incredible what Lowe's is doing, and to be a GM of the Lowe's home team and have the opportunity here in New Orleans to do something like this is incredible.
What Lowe's is doing in this one day, this would have took me at least 6 months. Lowe's is #1 in my book. They bought Christmas early.
I'm Drew Brees, and I want you to join me this season on the Lowe's home team. Check out lowes.com/home team.